Nobody knows how many days I waited for this time, for this moment. Huh? Okay. I always wait for the making everything perfect, but nothing is perfect. So that's why I want to start with all my details. Today we will start to learn how we can make colorful clay. So my name is Meral. I'm the owner of the Lore Ceramic. I'm an artist. And as you know me, I was in the Atlanta and I just moved to Miami and created my new studio. And so we will start with the learning colorful clay. So what we need right now, of course, firstly we need the clay, which is the most important one. We also need stains. It should be like for the clay stain, because other stains cannot be fire. This is the from Mason Stains, but you can also order online. I gave advertise, but everybody asking me what do you use on your clay. That's why I have to tell what I'm using. I'm using Mason Stains, but nobody give me advertising. Yeah, this is just a recommendation. So let me start with which is the very famous one. This is dark teal green. No, this is not green. Teal green. It shows street green, but it looks like a peacock blue. But let me just show what I have.
These are my other colors, which is avocado, gold, and this avocado, but I don't need more. So black, pink.
Oh, this is the Chrissy Teigen dark lavender. She loves this color. So I have a workshop. I will start my workshops and I will prepare some colorful clay for my students. Like it's gonna be like a Christmas workshop. Okay, I brought my water. Let me put a little bit. It should be the wood or marble. It's very important because other things cannot absorb the water. Stain absorb the water very fast. If I use one time, it's gonna be not smooth clay. Different colors. And this is my favorite one. Look at you, yeah, how you did my life easier. Did you hear me? My sister? Colorful clay. This is the last one. It's gonna be pink. Here is the result. Now we just finished the how we can make colorful clay learning video. But another time I will show you how we can do the peacock ornaments.